Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing the phone so changes take effect safely. First, charge to around 40–80% and avoid making big changes on a low battery. Next, open settings and go straight to battery to view usage patterns. This shows what drains power. Once done, enable battery saver and check battery health indicators. If you plan deeper tweaks, enable developer options so you can restrict background processes and inspect wake locks. These steps let you act precisely without guesswork. Now you'll reduce ongoing drains. Start by limiting network radios. Switch preferred network to 4G or auto 4G/5G only when needed to save cellular power. Then, go into apps, pick heavy users and restrict background activity and auto start. This prevents constant wake-ups. Enable adaptive battery so the system prioritizes your most used apps. Also, lower screen refresh or set it to standard when not gaming. The display is the largest drain, so these changes yield quick, measurable gains. Finish by removing remaining quick drains and verifying stability. Disable Bluetooth, NFC, and location when you don't need them, and use Dark Theme plus Reduced Brightness with Auto Brightness enabled to cut screen power. Check sync intervals and push email frequency. Extend them to conserve energy. Restart the phone so new settings settle. If battery still drains quickly, boot into safe mode to isolate misbehaving apps. If life improves, uninstall recent apps. If problems persist, performance settings reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.